Hello everyone. Today let's go over an easy question that I just solved by myself. This one is a bit tricky. It took me a couple tries, but I got it. It's called reverse string 2. And essentially you're given a string of s and an integer k, and you want to reverse the first k characters for every 2k characters from the start of the string. So what this means is you have a sliding window of size k times 2. So k is 2, so sliding window 4, and then reverse the first half of that every time you can. So there's not 4 characters left, but you still want to reverse k. And then here, same thing, just reverse the first 2. There's some edge cases that we'll review in a second, but let's just code this up. So let's call size equals to k times 2. And now we can just iterate over s minus size plus 1. And then we want to use the step size as size because we don't want to go from 4 here to 4 here. We want to 4 here and then directly whatever we haven't touched already. So let's call this substring equals to s of I plus size. Let's print the substring out. Okay, so A, B, C, D, that's our first window. And then let's convert this to a list so that we can manipulate it. And we're going to want a resulting string at the end. So now let's say substring equals to substring of up to k, right, reversing the first 2 characters plus whatever is at the end untouched. Let's print substring. Cool. Now we can add that to result as a string, which is dot join, and then return result. This is not going to be correct, but it gives us a blueprint to work with. And now let's say the last we've seen, because we want to get the leftover. This is not 4, so last equals I plus k. Let's print last. So here, let's do this. Okay, let's print I plus k. Oh, I plus size, sorry. Not I plus k. Okay, so 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the last we've touched. Now we want to get the rest. So now this is the tricky part where we say that if k is... Well, first let's just get the last part of the substring, which is going to be last part is equal to s of last to the end. Let's print last part. Okay, E, F, G. We want to reverse E and F. So if the length of last part is less than k, then we just reverse the whole thing. If it's not, then we do something else. So if it's less than k, then result plus equal to last part -1. Else we can say whatever k is left, because this is not going to be bigger than 2 times k. As you can see, that's the whole point. We had leftovers. So then we can say result plus equal to last part. Same thing. Or let's just say current equals to last part negative up to first k plus last part k to the end. Let's print current. Okay, FEG, that's what we need. And then result plus equal to join current to add that part. And there you go, passes all the test cases. So this is the edge case that I'm talking about. If, for example, k is 4 and we only have 2 characters left, then just reverse the whole thing and add it to the result. So pretty standard sliding window problem, a little bit more tricky than standard easies, but I hope this video was helpful, and consider subscribing and stay tuned for more.